my first time attending General Assembly. It has been very great, full of energy, full of passion, and it's really nice to see all the colleagues with different background. Really made me feel like I was back in my graduate school, part of my Erasmus Mundus program.
My favorite moment in General Assembly is that networking part. We met new people, we met our old friends.
I know there are many people from different countries, but it's more than I expected.
This was my first General Assembly of Emma, and I really enjoyed it. It's been an amazing experience. I met a lot of great fellow Erasmus Mundus students and alumni, a lot of great networking opportunities, and a lot of new great initiatives coming out of this.
The co-creation sessions were really interesting. It really made us think about our professional life and what we are thinking for the future, how we could actually evolve in our personal and professional life. So I find it really, really nice.
I thought it was pretty amazing, the fact that this opportunity was given to people who are just starting out and trying to learn the skills of the trade and learning how academia worked, and this very safe environment to practice poster making and research skills and to showcase our research on such an international platform and to get feedback from the people at the conference was very invaluable for me.
I didn't really knew what I was about to expect, but I loved not only being a member and a program representative, but actually learn and get to meet so many nationalities and realities and all the opportunities we have as volunteers and alumni for this type of programs.
And it's been an honor to meet everybody, to see all the different programs come together, work together, all the diversity and inclusion that is one of the main and core values of the Erasmus Mundus Association.
I'm going to be taking home a lot of collaborative initiatives, and I've spoken to so many potential future partners, and I cannot give back, you know. Thank you so much.
The future is different for sure, and it will be more and more digital. Believe me, you are more prepared than our generations. You speak different languages, you have several skills, so the world is yours. It's just a matter of don't stop your imaginations. It's a matter of working hard.
So thank you Erasmus Mundus Students and Alumni Association for organizing this amazing event, and I really look forward to the General Assembly next year.
So thank you so much for your attention. See you next year in this same General Assembly. Hope you can join us this competition.